Day to all employers. My name is Janeta Esparis Macadat, 47 years old, a single. My educational attainment is a high school graduate, and also I studied vocational course for 6 months English proficiency. I am a second child in our family. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 4 years and different employers. My first employer started last December 17, 2020 until November 6, 2022. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of twins, girl 2.5 years old. My other duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, marketing, and car washing. And also I'm taking care of pet, 2 cats. There are 4 family, sir and mom, and twins. I am a finished contract. My second employers are started last November 10, 2022 until November 9, 2024. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of 2 kids, 9.5 years old girl and 2.5 years old boy. My other duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, marketing. And there are 4 family, sir and mom, and 2 kids. I am a finished contract. And also I am a very hardworking, very loving for kids, honest, trustworthy, and God-fearing. If you hire me, I will do my best and be a responsible to all my duties and work. And I promise to finish my contract and work with you and your family as long as you need me as one of your helper. I hope you choose me as one of your helper. Thank you and God bless.